This video was originally too long, so I made another tutorial video on some of the specialty balloon techniques seen in this video, such as the 11-inch balloon stuffed inside another 11-inch balloon, the 5-inch balloon stuffed inside a clear balloon, and how to make curlicues with ease. I have provided a link above and also in the description section of this video below. Happy ballooning! In this tutorial, we will be making a balloon photo frame that can be used for any event or occasion. Just match the colors to your theme, add in some mylar balloons or other embellishments, and just let your creative mind go wild. In order to make our balloon photo frame, I took a 7-inch piece of aluminum fuel line and I shaped it into a 45-degree piece in order to make the corner. I drilled the hole through the conduit already, and now I'm just going to go ahead and drill it through the aluminum fuel line also. Because we need to connect these two poles together. Now I'm going to connect the side piece. I'm going to go ahead and drill a hole through. Now when I'm drilling my holes, I drill them closer to this end so I can make sure I have enough material down in here. And you see what I just did? I did that on camera so you'll know why I drilled that hole first. Now we're going to put this one in. And attach it with our self-tapping screw. Here is our 12 by 12 paver stone base that we learned how to make in the very first video. And this is our frame. I want you to take note of something. These balloons have been inflated for 2 weeks, sitting in the plastic bags. I wouldn't suggest that you inflate them 2 weeks in advance, but life just happened to get in the way. These balloons, like I say, have been sitting in the bag for 2 weeks. They are still good. So that answers your questions as to how far in advance can you inflate your balloons. You're going to take your two quads here and we're going to join them together. And we're going to take them now and open it and put it on the pole. Slide it on the pole and crisscross it over. And that's what locks it into place. Let's put our next set on. And I'm putting it on the frame. Like I say, slide it on, crisscross it over, and push it down. Don't be afraid to push your balloons down. Join them together. This one has balloons on the inside. You're going to charge extra for those balloons in there. You're also going to charge extra for your time. I'm sliding them onto the pole, twisting this over. Let's put it on the pole and twist it over. And you're gonna slide them on your pole, twist it over to lock it, slide them on your pole, crisscross it over, push it down. The more creative, the more the upcharge. Slide it on your pole, crisscross it over, push it down. And this is how we're looking so far. Please like and comment. It helps the YouTube algorithm pick up the videos to share with more people. And because I am an educator, I really would like more people to learn how to do balloons and learn the correct techniques. I do thank you in advance for liking and subscribing, and continue to come back to the channel. Thank you so much. We are going to get to the fun stuff, like putting our twisting balloons in and our 260 curly cues. Continue watching. Make sure it's squared off, that it's not sitting like that, but sitting squared off on that 12 by 12 base. Let's put our next one on. Remember, when you're putting it on the pole, you are sliding it on, crisscrossing it over to lock it into place. And just move your balloons around a little bit if you don't like how it looks. Just pushing it down. Slide it on the pole. Cross it over to lock it down. Look at how beautiful that 260 is in that clear balloon. On the pole. Those two. Push it down. I'm going to put this set on. Slide it on the pole. Okay, I'm going to finish the rest off camera, except till we get to the curved part. When working in a corner, you're only going to put 2 balloons on. Then you're going to take your next set and put it on also, covering that curve. Because of time, I'm going to go ahead and finish this last bit up, which is the embellishments. Have some little crystal diamonds on some of the clear balloons. We have some of the twisting balloons in there, like this red one there and that pink. We have some clusters in there. We have some 260s. And this is how the top is looking. we have one little last piece to add to the top, and that's the love sign. And that is the finishing touch.